Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. I'm Brian. Today I am doing another hide and reveal pour that I got the inspiration from Jessica for Winterstrom Art. I already used these colors. I did it in a video, I think last Wednesday, so that would be 2 videos ago. I'm using the same colors. I'm going to do the same technique, and I made my top coat, my Paynes Grey top coat, a little bit thinner. So hopefully that's going to allow those colors I put down on the pillow paint to come back up through that paint when I spin it out. Very excited about it. I love this technique. I'm going to keep playing with it because I'm learning a lot with each painting that I do. Today I'm going to use a actual wood board instead of a canvas. So let's get down on there and let's get started and let's get going. I'll be right back. So what I'm going to do, this is a little 9x12 wood canvas board, got from Michael's. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to go ahead and put down some white. Act as the pillow there. That should be plenty. Now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to put down some of these colors. So the first color I'm going to put down is going to be my dark color, which is Purple Lake from Creative Inspirations. So let's just put a bunch of this here. Like that. My next color I'm going to put down is a blue that I got from my table scraps, from scraping the table. Now my next color is going to be my Caput Mortem from Amsterdam. And now I've got some leftover gold. I'm just gonna drizzle this on. And the last thing I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put my Paynes Grey from Creative Inspirations right over top of this. Good enough. Now I'm just going to take my white cell activator, I'm going to put it on the back of this palette knife, and I'm going to swipe right on through this and kind of hopefully lift up some of the color. Just press here, kind of swipe, creating some lines. Going under the white here and just scooping through some of this. Down a little bit. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to give it a spin and see what happens. To bring some of this negative space off. Let's try another spin. Wow, that's cool. Woohoo! That's a keeper. Give this a little scrape. The sides and edges. Then I'll bring you guys in. All right, guys, here we are with the wet result. Look how this just celled up like crazy. So cool. I'm loving everything about this. Let me bring you in here. I cannot wait for this to dry. All right, guys, I'll be right back. All right, here we are with the dried result. This is so cool. I gotta tell you guys, I'm just in love with this technique. I'm definitely gonna be playing with this more. I'm just loving swiping things, getting the cells, getting the different lines. Just beautiful. Okay guys, that's it. So this is the piece. A little 9x12 board, but Look at the cells. Look how everything just really popped. I'm gonna put resin on this because it's tiny and small, but I think it's gonna be really cute with resin because it's gonna bring all these colors bright back to life, and I think it's just gonna give it a great little look. So I'm very excited, but I just really love this technique a lot. So I definitely will be doing a lot more of these. Thank you so much for watching, everybody. Have a great week, and I'll see you on Sunday. Bye-bye.